best quality of Imtiaz is that he's very dignified.
Right.
You know, I find dignified people really nice. खुदाई नहीं दिखाई देती, उसकी नींव नहीं मालूम पड़ती, उसको कब बना रहे हैं पता नहीं चल जाता.
Right.
But I think उसकी बातें घर कर जाती हैं. So I think apart from all that, I think there's this really nice quality of being very dignified and a gentleman. So I really enjoyed working with him and had a great time. I don't want to make a sweeping statement, but I do think a writer-director is a great combination. You know, because when you write, you're thinking of things and characters and everything, and all that comes into your writing. So the direction becomes less. So it's a reluctant lover. And to be able to write that and then get me to play it and say the lines, it helps me as an actor to do it differently. Adi had not written a love story when he cast me in his film.
Okay.
वो कोई और फिल्म बना रहा था, कुछ एक्शन की फिल्म बना रहा था मेरे साथ. Then one night he came and he said, मैंने चेंज कर दिया आइडिया यार. उन्होंने वो बनाते बनाते दिल में एक लव स्टोरी आई है, तो मुझे तेरे साथ बनानी है. So even then I told him, यार मैं थोड़ा यार मैं कहाँ लवर लगता हूँ मैं. Hi everybody, I'm Shah Rukh Khan and you're watching Bollywood Hungama. Keep watching it with Faridun.
आज हमारे साथ में एक शख्सियत हैं, उनका नाम है हैरी और पेशे से टूरिस्ट गाइड हैं. तो हैरी साहब, बहुत बहुत इस्तकबाल, स्वागत, सत श्री अकाल आपको बॉलीवुड हंगामा में पहली बार. तो हैरी में अगर हम हैरी की बात करें तो हैरी में कुछ इस तरीके की बातें हैं कि नहीं, आपको लगता है?
नहीं है उसमें. उसका यार वो कुछ ऐसा सिंगर विंगर बनना चाह रहा था जिंदगी में. बहुत पहले वो चला गया कहीं और वो हुआ नहीं उसके साथ जो वो चाहता था. और जब नहीं चाहता था तब हो गया. तो जैसा अमूमन जिंदगी में होता है, लाइफ इज लाइक दैट. सो in a I won't say like a funny or a comedic way, but the reality of his life is so funny itself. You know, so when he expresses things, sometimes they come out like the actual person that he was years ago. Which is, of course, he's from Punjab. He's a little angry with the world at times, and of course his relationship with women has been a little checkered, to say the least. And एक गाना है अभी आया है, तुम गाना भी उसका कवर प्लीज यार. सफर का ही था मैं सफर का रहा.
ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग.
तो वो वैसा ही है. वो गाना एक्चुअली जो है ना उसको थोड़ा सीरियसली दर्शाता है. इतना सीरियस नहीं है, बट वो सीरियसली, हालांकि ही इज नॉट ट्राइंग टू बी फनी, बट वो जैसा है. कई होते हैं ना ऐसे लोग कि वो दे आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू बी फनी, दे आर फनी बिकॉज तुम्हें उनका बैकग्राउंड नहीं मालूम है. So I think he's like that, and and he's a tourist guide, which he doesn't want to be maybe.
Okay.
And he's guiding people, but actually he needs guidance himself.
He needs guidance himself. Okay. And now you're working with Imtiaz Ali for the first time, and he has this entire, I think, theory about the journey is more important than the actual destination. How different was working with Imtiaz maybe compared to other directors that you worked with?
ये तो मुझे अभी बता रहे हो यार, इसलिए उसने एडिट खत्म नहीं किया पिक्चर का शायद. लग रहा है जर्नी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, डेस्टिनेशन नहीं. ही इज़ क्वाइट अमेजिंग यार. ही इज़ रियली अ फन गाय. ही इज़ वेरी स्वीट. और आई थिंक द बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ इम्तियाज इज़ दैट ही इज़ वेरी डिग्निफाइड. You know, I find dignified people really nice. So I don't want to sound patronizing, but apart from the great talent that he has in writing and making films, the great understanding that he has of emotions very subtly underlined, जो बातें घर कर जाती हैं, without actually, you know, खुदाई नहीं दिखाई देती, उसकी नींव नहीं मालूम पड़ती, उसको कब बना रहे हैं पता नहीं चल जाता. But I think उसकी बातें घर कर जाती हैं. So I think apart from all that, I think there's this really nice quality of being very dignified and a gentleman. So I really enjoyed working with him and had a great time.
Right, and the fact that he's a very fine writer as well, does that make a difference as well, that someone who can write and direct?
Most certainly, yeah. I think, I mean, I don't want to make a sweeping statement, but I do think a writer-director is a great combination. You know, because when you write, you're thinking of things and characters and everything, and all that comes into your writing. So the direction becomes less. Though, of course, having said that, there's a great combination of non-writer directors working together too. But I think me who's done so many love stories, or at least people feel so, though I think I've only done 4 or 5, it's very important that if I'm part of a love story again, which is sweet and funny and warm and emotional and sad, that's how love stories are, the language is different. So it makes me do something else. The character of Harry is very different. You know, of course he's a lover. He's in a love story, he will be a lover. But he is not someone who's riding around on the roads or going in a Eurorail to find love and ladki ke piche pad jata hai. Actually, he doesn't want it only. So it's a reluctant lover. And to be able to write that and then get me to play it and say the lines, it helps me as an actor to do it differently.
Absolutely. You've also said that you're doing a full-fledged love story after quite a few years. Maybe I think after Kuch Kuch Hota Hai for the matter.
Maybe, yeah. Just say,
20
boy
years.
meets girl, falls in
Yeah,
love.
correct. Right. So, and you know, many people, they love to see you in that avatar, and maybe I think that is a factor that Jab Harry Met Sejal, it's trending wonderfully because people love to see Shah Rukh Khan in this avatar in terms of romantic songs and the romantic language that you just speak, and that too written by Imtiaz himself. Do you think that it's making a difference, and that is something that is your strength, the biggest strength as a romantic hero?
I think I'm least strong as a romantic hero. Yeah. I find myself better in roles like Rais or Fan or Chak De, where I don't know how to describe it, because I'm not someone who ever thought I could be a lover. Even when I joined films, very clearly one of the things I told my friend Vivek Vaswani, who was taking me around and getting me to do films, is I don't want to do love stories because I don't think I can do love stories.
Right.
I thought I don't look like a lover. I don't think I can say lines like a lover. And initially when I worked with all the great directors also, even Yashji cast me in Dar as a bad guy, So later on he said, yaar, ye mere bete ne kahani likhi hai. And I don't know if people remember it, even Adi had not written a love story when he cast me in his film.
Okay.
वो कोई और फिल्म बना रहा था, कुछ एक्शन की फिल्म बना रहा था मेरे साथ.
Yeah.
Then one night he came and he said, मैंने चेंज कर दिया आइडिया यार. तूने वो बनाते बनाते दिल में एक लव स्टोरी आई है, तो मुझे तेरे साथ बनानी है. So even then I told him, यार मैं थोड़ा यार, मैं कहाँ लवर लगता हूँ, मैं तो बाजीगर हूँ, मैं डर हूँ. So he said, नहीं यार, ये मैं बनाना चाहता हूँ तेरे साथ. It was just their conviction.
Right.
And then Karan's and then YesG's to make love stories with me, and now Imtiaz's. I don't know how to be a lover. The only thing I can say is I think there's a part of me which is like a woman. And I think that part, all of us have a little yin and yang. And I think my woman part is very strong. So somewhere, without realizing it, when I play a lover, it just is more sensitive. That's the only way I can explain it. I mean, I really don't know how to essay love, कि मैं lines पढ़ के, I know actors and actresses, wow, how lovely this line is. अभी मुझे नहीं समझ आती, तुम नहीं समझोगे अंजलि कुछ कुछ होता है, कि उसमें क्या ग्रेटनेस है, कि टूटता हुआ तारा देख के कुछ मांगोगे तो मिल जाता है. मुझे नहीं समझ आता उसकी ग्रेटनेस.
और तीन ही देवियों के सामने झुकता है, माँ देवी माँ.
मुझे नहीं समझ आती ये बातें. मैं असली लाइफ में शायद ऐसा नहीं बोलता हूँ, या ये लिखते बहुत अच्छा है करण, आदि, यश जी, इम्तियाज, तो अच्छी बातें लिख देते हैं. And I just say it because I can feel it when somebody tells me. I respect other people's feeling. So I think there's a big woman in me. There's a large part of me which is like a woman. And I think that kind of comes to fore. And that makes me a lover. And actually the big woman in me makes me very manly also.